Alright, y'all. Here's our creek out by where I work. Not flooded. Now see how beautiful it is, the coloration underneath it and the sandstone. It's quite beautiful. But I tell you, it's always nice to just be able to walk and see the beauty of it. But when I had mentioned a spot with many waterfalls, that's what I mean. If you kind of look straight out there, you could call those many waterfalls. You know, if the rock was more straight down, it would be more like a waterfall. But as you see, it pretty much calms down. There wasn't much debris left after the flood, but as you see the previous video, the water came clear up to here. So if I stand here and look down, you can kind of see how high rise it was, because last time I was walking I was way up here and this was flooded, but as you can see here, it kind of like flatten this out. But oh, and just our luck, we have some visitors. Let's try not to spook them. Now isn't this a surprise? Hey. Maybe if I can sneak some bread from work, I could bring you guys some snacks. What you think? We got a couple ducks down there. I know that would be a workout for them to try to come up, but as you can see, they're just like, nah, we're gonna go further down. But it's pretty calm and peaceful. Alright, there you have it. When I say we have a pretty beautiful creek, that's what I mean. Ooh, too bad I didn't catch that. One of them literally just jumped out of the water and dived right in. How hard was the splash? But that would have been pretty cool to catch on camera. But alrighty, y'all take care and God bless.